So guys, basically this was the string, so I'll have to change it right now because the string was broken. On that case, I used to actually tried with the rubber, but the rubber actually didn't that much stronger, so I'll have to change it because the rubber can't hold this. This is kinda weighty. I mean, it has some weights about 400 gram, so it is very hard for the rubber to carry on. So I'll have to fix it on other way. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'll just remove all the cables out there. So let me try to fix this on other way. So for now, this is free. So what I have to do, I have to take a measurement, like from there we'll try to use this type of rigid wire and cut it in section so that you can pull and push. So I'll have to take the exact measurement. The length is required to make this happen. So make sure you settle the middle point. I mean, what is this called? This is the sphere or whatever in the middle point, and also make sure you just hold on a second. Make sure the notch is on the point so that you can measure it properly. Like from now, let me fix the thing. The wire is kinda I have to clean the wire first because it is kind of heavy with some coated dust, so I'll just remove this to make the measurement perfect. So let's get into it. And yeah, so far this is kind of good. So basically I'll check how much round it really needed to fix this thing. I guess one, it's two, it is three, and it is four. I guess 4 round per section would be perfect. So I'll cut it here and try to make it a perfect solution. Let's try. This will be kind of hard to balance each and every section because well, I have to break it down. Yeah, just be able to break it down. So now I'll just tie one side. If you can tie two opposite sides, then it will be very much easy for us to cope with the other, like these two. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna just make a clean U shape and then we'll just put it down. So before I go into that, I'll just cut it another piece because I think this is almost perfect. So I'll make sure this will have the exact size on the other end also. This is kind of heavy. So let's get into it. Make it a U shape and just melt it down with the gap with the sphere and connect it to one end. Like the fuck is happening, like here and there. So and put it back, and then what you have to do, yeah, this is kind of perfect right now. So basically, but why this is so tough? I mean, this is so heavy right now. Just move it in the other way. This way. Yeah. As you can see, we'll just melt it down there, and we'll just try to keep as it is. So all. This is the wrong side. This must be like this. Yeah. Don't make it the upside down. I actually made it by mistake. So I'll just make the correction right now, and we'll just keep it right there because oh, yeah, this position is perfect right now. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to write. So it is better to, if you just make a it would be good if you can be able to make a double like this, so it will not be loose anymore. So it is very much important to make it a double round so that it is kept pretty much rigid. So then we will just put it here. We'll keep free this side because we'll have to make it in the middle position. So what are we going to do? We'll just cut two more strings and make a perfect round of it. So take the measurement, and all you have to do, just break it down here. Yeah, I'll have to. We need another one. This is the last portion. Mm, let's break out the string and yeah, all of these are ready, so we'll just tie it up. So I'll just remove the shell right now and we'll try to tie it up properly with two more patches. So that's not the patches, like two more coils, like yeah, this way. And take another one and try to make your two more shapes like this. Yeah, it's almost done. And lastly this one. Yeah, it is ready to go. So these are likely to be done from there. I'll just give a small rotation so that my string can hold together, and I'll just put into the hole. Make sure everything is perfect. So like this, get there, should get there, should get what the heck is happening. So yeah, it's almost done. We'll have to make sure this is in the middle point. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just wrap up the whole thing from there. If we will be able to tie two sides properly, then this will be ready for the operation. So we are going to make by this way. Let's see, it is not way in the middle, so as middle as possible I'm trying to make it in the middle position. So basically it's very hard to keep it in the middle. But just try the one side, so we'll try to tie the other side, and hopefully this will make it perfect. So as you guys can see, it is more or less perfect. So I made it almost nice, and I'm just giving the finishing touch and make sure the sharp wash, I mean the sharp end is in the safe side. So just make sure it is on the safe in the right position. So I'll have to give some finishing touch, whatever you can say. So just going to make it safe, like, as safe as possible. It is a hard work really, because I am on the bare hand, like this sharp end could bleed me anytime, so I am a bit careful. So guys, it was really tough work, and this is the last part I have to put in the hole, and here we go. Make a curve and a perfect shape. So guys, this is almost finished, and I didn't make it much more rigid because it will have to carry weight in the middle. So as you can see, I'll just install the microphone here, and it's done, I guess. So as you can see, it's done. So I can't be able to make it much more rigid because it will move. So on that occasion, this is kind of perfect. So yeah, I wish this will work perfectly. So yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you will enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.